There's Sage. He's finally crawling. Hi. Get your toys.
Hi, Jamie.
Okay, let him crawl, sweetheart.
Auntie.
Okay, go get your toys. Go make him get his toys, Saffron. Get your toys. I know. You love the camera. I know. I know.
Mom, did you toy away?
Over there.
It's my mermaid.
I know, honey.
Take a tray with it.
We'll make it over here. Go over here. Go get it. Go get it. Honey, let him get it. Did you get it? You still want to look at the camera.
Yeah. I did it to him.
I know, but the whole point is for him to go get it.
It's like it.
Do you like the doll?
Yeah.
Sage, do you like that doll? Say hi. Hi. Are you my little redhead? Yeah, now Daddy can see a redhead. Okay, get off your brother. Okay, don't smash the poor little thing. Okay. Is he?
Yeah.
He's not cold. It's hot. It's 90 degrees outside. Come here. Come on. Give me mommy.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Mommy, dog. Say Tommy. Ouchie.
Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Nope. All right, turn it off and I'll change it then. Turn off the TV. Bye-bye.